Hello learners, welcome back to the channel. This is Apodel's Multimedia and the program you are watching right now is FANTE Kasesua. My name is Ochechrenyi Apiamenta. In today's video lesson, I'm bringing you part 2 of Ascendel or Mbradato Susuchro, which we call in English persuasive writing. The video lesson is basically for basic 6 learners. However, general learners may also benefit from the lesson. We've already gone through the structure of persuasive writing, what it entails, what we need to do, and the elements that are all involved. In today's video lesson, we are going to give a topic and read a sample presentation of a persuasive writing in FANTE. The topic I have chosen for today's persuasive writing is entitled Causes of Teenage Pregnancy. Causes of Teenage Pregnancy. We call this in FANTE Dza Odze Mprewanyinsenba. Dza Odze Mprewanyinsenba. So I pick this very persuasive writing sample from Mr. Jerry Yangson's book entitled Ashese Mfante Kasesua Buku. Ashese Mfante Kasesua Buku. So if you have this book, you can follow along with me. A special thank you to Mr. Jerry Yangson for making this book successful for us to also benefit, as well as our students also. We may want to just go straight into the reading. Please pick your book and follow along as we read and make use of the structures of persuasive writing. We read Dza Odze Mprewanyinsenba. So that is the topic or the theme. Echinye biara enyi ho de mprewanyinsen rodoso wo manimu. Obi bebisa de ebenazenye mprewanyinsen. Mprewanyinsen kyerɛ obi a onso awar ana awo na wafa yefun. Se obi nya mfedunu na onyinsen a dam na wofrɛ no. Indama pii na odze mprewanyinsen ba. Dza odzimu akotsenenye awarugu. Se awarfo ambomu antsena anhwɛ honom ba mbofra no tum ye dza wopɛ. Otofa bi a onam de okomedze mbofra no nti se benyin bi daadaa hona na wonam do. Otodo bio anyankosam mpen pii no mbofra binom dze hon ho bɔ hon anyankofa a wɔyɛ mmeyinsam ho ma okoto dam ɔhaw yi mu. Bio awofa a wɔnhwɛ honom ba yie. Awofo pii wɔ hɔ a ɔnam hon adwuma na hon egwezi ahoro nti wɔgya mmofra no mpen pii wɔ fie dɛ hon ara wɔnhwɛ wɔn ho. Obadama mmofra ma no tumpuepue basa kɛyɛ mmeyinsam zinyinsan ba. Enyeyinko mmofra pii so wɔ hɔ a hon awofo bɔ mmɔdzen yɛ hon ehiadze nyinara ma hon. Na so wɔma hon kyerɛkyerɛ biara mfa nsunsuando a ɔbaa na benyin nhyemdi dze ba nti ibohu dɛ wɔdze wɔn ho akɛhyɛ mu. Ɔyɛ no kwatrodo dɛ awarugu fikubon awofa a wɔntsen hon ho nhwɛ honom ba na nyimdze a mmofra nyi fa mpamu agudzi ho na ɔdze mprewanyinsen ba. Nti yɛdze dama kankan ya ba na wie. Bronyi se e sample. Ibotum so akyerɛw persuasive writing mbradato ana ascendel susukyerɛ binom afa nsentira horo binom tete dɛ dza ɔma esuafo binom gya school kɔ ndubon nonome na pii nara ɔkeka ho. Bɔmmɔdzen na kyerɛw mbradato ana ascendel susukyerɛ bi fa dam nsentira medza mo yi ho na yenhyia bio na yensuate kapem de yebɛhyia bio no. Midzinye Ochechrenyi Apiamenta meda homa se de hombei yebesene hyia bio. Until we meet again, the name is Mr. Apiamenta. Thank you for coming, and remember to subscribe to the channel and share the video for others to benefit. See you once again here on the channel. Bye-bye.